by 1, it becomes 3 upon 2 and divide by the same. Increase the power by 1, 3 upon 2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 1 increase ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ, 5 upon 2 divide by the same. It 7 upon 2, 7, so becomes 2 upon 3 x raised to power 3 upon 2, 2 upon 5 x raised to power 5 upon 2, 2 upon 7 x raised to power 7 upon 2. So, such type of function when degree of denominator is less than degree of numerator, we divide each term of the numerator by the denominator. This is possible when only one term in the denominator. ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਟਰਮ ਡਿਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰ ਦੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਪ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇੰਟੀਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Then we may take another example of exponential function or power formula. The question is integrate 2 e raised to power 2x, 3 e raised to power 2x plus 2 raised to power x. So, to integrate such type of function, we take sign of integration 2x now this becomes again sign of integration with respect to x plus integration of 2 raised to power x with respect to x. Now, it is very simple, 3 e 2x as integration of e 2x is e 2x upon 2 because derivative of 2x is 2 plus integration of a raised to power x. I told the formula a raised to power x upon log a. So, it becomes 2 raised to power x upon log 2, a raised to power x upon log 2. So, 2 raised to power x upon log 2. So, very simple, first term was integration of exponential function e raised to power x, e raised to power mx. When e raised to power mx, we write e raised to power mx upon m. When a raised to power x, here a in place of a, 2 raised to power x. So, 2 raised to power x as written in the formula a raised to power x upon log a. So, 2 raised to power x upon log 2. So, this was very simple question if we remember the formula. So, another question I may write over here, integrate e raised to power x plus 1 e raised to power x plus 1 raised to whole square upon e raised to power x. So solution for this function, integration now very simple, a plus b whole square formula in numerator, a square plus b square plus 2ex upon e raised to power x. Now this becomes dividing each term of numerator by denominator. First term becomes e raised to power x and second term becomes e raised to power minus x plus third term becomes only 2. So again simple, integration of ex is ex, integration of e raised to power x minus 1, we divide it by minus 1, so become minus. So integration of 2 is 2x. So e the power x minus e raised to power x plus 2x. Then again we take another type of question, say x cube upon, question is integrate x cube upon x plus 1. So when degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, we divide the numerator until we get the degree of remainder less than degree of denominator. ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ divide ਕਰਦੇ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ. First it goes on x square, so it becomes x cube plus x square. Now changing the signs, it becomes, these are cancelling, minus x square and then it goes to minus x. So minus x square minus x, again changing the signs, plus plus, so these are cancelling, we get x. Now it will goes to 1 only, x plus 1, changing the signs, we get minus 1. So remainder is, now the remainder is having degree less than denominator. ਹੁਣ minus 1 ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਲੈਸ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਡੈਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰ ਤੋਂ. ਅਸੀਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡਰ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਡੈਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ. ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡਰ ਦੀ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਡੈਨੋਮੀਨੇਟਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੈਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ function can be written in the form minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now integration of this is very simple now. So integration of x square is x cube upon 3, integration of x square upon 2, integration of 1 is x, and integration of 1 upon x plus 1 is log x plus 1. X cube upon 3 minus x square upon 2 plus x minus log x plus 1. So this was the integration of x cube upon x plus 1. Now another question we take another question. Question may be like this: integrate x upon x plus 1 the whole square, x upon x plus 1 the whole square. Now to make it this function in integrable form, ਅਸੀਂ integrable form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ +1 ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ, -1 add 1 and subtract by 1. Now this function takes the form x plus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. Now this becomes now integration of 1 upon x is log 1 plus x, not log 1 plus x, and what will be the integration of this? It will be by power formula -2, it becomes minus minus plus 2 upon x plus 1. So minus 1 upon x plus 1, as I may write over here x raised to power -1, this becomes, so by power formula it becomes -1 x raised to power so same way x raised to power -2. So in this way we can do any type of questions ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਨਿਊਮਰੇਟਰ ਦੀ ਲੈਸ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ.